Good morning, everyone. My name is Naveen Kumar. I am studying in Engineering College, 8th SEM. Today, the topic of my presentation is all about IoT in healthcare. Now, I am going to talk about it. The smart healthcare. The contents of the project is abstract, introduction, system architecture, methodology, implementation, conclusion, references. Anish, next. Next, Anish. What is IoT? The Internet of Things is the interconnection of devices, apps, sensors, and network connectivity that ensures these entities together and exchange the data. The IoT in healthcare is the key player to providing a better medical facilities to patients and facilities to doctors and as well as hospitals. Then the discussing about the characteristics of Internet things in the healthcare as the system is the constantly monitoring a patient through a checking various parameters. Many such as devices occupied with medical sensors are present in the ICU nowadays. But these devices are not accessible or difficult to offered by the most people in developing countries such as India. So we thought in this we can solve this type of problems. In this paper, a system is designed to continuously monitor a patient health care such as heartbeat, blood pressure, and body temperature. And those informations are stored in the cloud server. The proposed outcome of the paper is to build a system to provide world-class medical added to the patient even in the remote areas with no hospitals in their areas by connecting over internet. The major aim of this paper is providing to obtain the real-time medical information about the patient via IoT. The second one is processing the classification of information gathering and about the patient. Third one is to provide a Internet of Things based healthcare solutions at any time and anywhere. Next. Next, we'll move to the system architecture. We can see how the system is structured, and the Raspberry Pi is the act as a central server in the system. Next. Next, go to the topic of methodology. In this paper, we proposed an atomic system to monitor a patient body temperature, heartbeat, body movements, and blood pressure. There are 3 models are in this system. The first one and health status prediction system. In healthcare monitoring system, the model, the other components of system that makes it IoT enabled, and it is used to record the health parameters of patient using various sensors. Here, Raspberry Pi acts as the central server to which all the sensors are connected through a GPIO pins. The PI records the real-time value and update them to MySQL database, which is then displayed on the computer. Next one is emergency alert section model. This model is particularly deals with the steps to taken after an absolutely is detected in the health of patient, such as notifying his or her family members as well as the hospitals. We have set up certain these values as our program, which if crossed, will trigger an alert in the form of messages to the patient or the patient of the family or doctor. Let's go to the next step, implementation. Anish. In the implementation, in this we have proposed a system in which patient body temperature, heartbeat, body movements, and blood pressure reading result that are being monitored by the system. The various sensors are placed on a patient body and they take the readings and send the corresponding signal to the Raspberry Pi. Next, this is a setup experimental. You can see in the image. Next, yes, next we have used various components to build this system. First one is Raspberry Pi, temperature sensor, healthcare sensor, vibration sensor, BP sensor, and MP3008. Like the Raspberry Pi is bank of cards such as microcontroller with the facilities of small PC and is extremely popular for development purpose, and it is very low cost. The temperature sensor, it is used to measure the temperature of a patient. Here we are used ML35 sensor, which is an IC sensor. Next, heartbeat sensor. It is used to measure the heartbeat rate of a patient. Here we are used a pair of LFD and LDR and a microcontroller. It is work on the fundamental of optoelectronics. The heartbeat is measured by placing a tip of forefingers upon a sensor. Once the circuit senses the pulse, an LED will start blinking along with your pulse. The output is sent to the circuit to measure the heartbeats rate in the BPM. Next one is GSM model. Here we are used GSM Quanta band model SIM 900, which offers GPRS connection to our system. This model can be accept any type of SIM card having its own unique number. The same can be used to send a message to a family or a doctor. Next. Next, conclusion. In this paper, we have presented and proved the prototype for an atomic system that guarantee a constant monitoring of various health parameters and prediction of any kind of diseases or that prevent the patient from the pain of paying a frequent visit of the hospital. The proposed system can be set up in the hospital or massive amount data be obtained and stored in the online database. Even the result can be made to be accessed from the mobile through applications. Next. These are the references I have referred for this system. I'm over.
Oh yes, Naveen.
Ma'am.
Here, how do you send the signals here? You are told that go to the last slide. You are told that you are sending the signals either to mobile or to the doctor. How is that sent?
You are a GSM, usually GSM model. This is provides a GPRS connection to our system.